Hey guys, welcome to Chale, Musafiro and Maldives. I just landed at Velana International Airport and I'll show you exactly what to expect right after your arrival. So, right after baggage claim and immigration, you will see all these resort counters, also called kiosks. Okay, so now if your resort is further out, like it is far from the airport area, so chances are you will be flying with Maldivian Airways. And I'll just show you where you can check in for your seaplane transfer. From here, it will be going and boarding your seaplanes, and then you will be flying to your resort. And trust me, that scenic flight is an experience on its own. Okay, so once you step outside the terminal, there is a designated bus stop and shuttle services. Whether you are heading to Malay City or a local island, everything pretty easy to navigate. And you can board for your bus if you have booked, or you can take a cab to the city. Feeling hungry after the flight? Don't worry. There's a food court right here at the airport, and you can check and go to the cafes like KFC, Pizza Hut, and there is a lounge as well where you can relax a bit and wait for your transfers to the resort. Now check this out. Right outside the airport is this massive winner's trophy. It proudly declares that the Maldives has been voted the world's leading destination for 5 years in a row. Honestly, one look around and you can see the beauty. You can feel it. Like from 2020 to 2024, world's leading destination just for a reason. And finally, here's where the real adventure begins, the speedboat terminal, for which we all are waiting for. It will take 3 to 5 minutes, like a short walk from your arrival terminal, to reach here. All the speedboat comes in a row, and then all the travelers head off to their island resorts. It will take approximately 1 hour straight to reach your destination. In between, the view here is unreal. Crystal clear waters, boats ready, and the ocean is calling. So let's go. So that's a quick look at what to expect when you arrive in paradise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying the journey. And I'll see you in the next vlog from the islands.